Hello and welcome to part 2 of starting with macros. We're working on the basis that you would like to get started with macros, and so we've produced a guide to help you, Macros from Square One, and the idea is that it's a simple step-by-step guide, and it's produced by macro trainer extraordinaire Jennifer Yankopoulos. And it comes in two forms, the Mac version and the PC version, because the very first steps are very much specific to the version of your computer. So let's have a quick look at the two. There's one for Mac here, and so we've got screenshots, very careful steps, numbered steps, and the screenshots have got arrows and boxes to help you to see where you're supposed to be clicking, and you go through all the steps, and eventually it shows you how to put on the keystrokes, and also then you get started by actually practicing the first macro and then another one and another one. So then we've got the PC version as well, obviously similar but different screenshots appropriate to the PC. So that's those. It's great, and although it's a self-guided tour, we do feel that it's helpful if you can to find a colleague that you can work with, because it's easier comparing notes as you go along. But the basic principle of what we're suggesting is that you load a couple of macros and use them. In other words, actually put them into practice in a real live job, and then load a couple more and try using those. So gradually build up step by step until you get more confidence with them. Eventually you can, having used all your some new macros as suggested in this Macros from Square One, you can come back for part 3 and learn how to use Fredit, because that's probably the most powerful macro for use by editors in terms of time saving. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful, and wish you well.